Before we start, YouTube has limited my channel's reach after recent policy changes. If you enjoy these edits, please like and comment.
Are you Denji or Chainsaw Man?
AK-47 is the most popular assault rifle in the world. This is the Chinese model. You could tell by the extra rivets running through the metal struts. Nothing gets between me and my AK.
Shoot, my damsel in distress act didn't work. What a shame. Now I've got no choice. I'm going to have to kill everyone.
First I go whip out the ball. Now I can't handle no bricks. My life is out of control. They tell me nobody sick. I've been living my life in mode. I used to pay with the truth. So I gotta have my face. Trying to watch the face.
Not arrive. It remembers the first time a human listened to rock It remembers the taste of smoke sitting on a ruined sky. Every grave is a teeth. The war devil wears a girl's face, but its shadow is a constant force. It speaks full its answers, but it dreams
I'm an animal, hyena.
Now over and over I keep going over the world we knew.
ain't so hard. What about my heart? Denji's heart. Does nobody want that? Ah!
You have two options. Either you die by my hand as a depraved devil, or you let me keep you as a human being.
How'd you feel about your comrades dying?
It's whatever.
I thought, oh, they're all dead now.
I think her name Nikki and I'm with Nikki cause she not too picky and she not too sushi. I'm not too bougie, I play with a kitty and twigs and sticky. I'm moving the beat, chill like an alien. Shot with a 50, my
You're full of shit.
Wanna be carefree lately, yeah. Just picking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Kinda like the holy clovers in my locket. Untied. Coming back, I wanna say that I hate you. The hate in my heart, it drives me so far away from things I always knew. I miss the world that I know I lost. I miss the one that I love. Drinking.
Like it or not, I'm kicking your ass. This Makimal praised me all day for it.
Cocky for someone who has no hope of winning.
What? You really think you've got me beat already? If I got a pulse, I got a chance!
Bad, run away, bad troublemaker lady! She's big, dangerous one chaser! That smell! I know it! She's the bomb devil!
Are you with Division 4 too? I'll let you go if you leave Denji with me.
There she is! Look out! Bomb is here!
An awful devil's trying to kill me! Shoot, my damsel in distress act didn't work. I'm going to have to kill everyone. Well,
Calm.
What the hell is going on? If it comes down to it, I'll crash the door into that bitch! Whatever happens, we can't let her have Denji! Ready! I'm taking you in!
boom. Come closer, Denji. I'm going to show you the many ways we can fight up close and personal.
Oh, you better teach me everything!
Hey Siri, play some of that Playboy Cardi shit!
Now playing Playboy Party.
Yeehaw, motherfuckers!
be alright. So what if I die? Okay, I've been ready to die for a long time.
You know touching me would siphon off your life.
Not if there's fabric in between, right?
I need to take my hand. Do you want to die? Oh no, I don't want to die.
If you want to die, then go ahead. Just do it somewhere far away. I'm sick and tired of people dying on me right before my eyes.
And you can give him my best, but just know
I'm not your friend or anything. Damn, you think that you're the man. I think therefore I am. I'm not your friend or anything. Damn, you think that you're the man. I think therefore I am.
Spinning my face, my love, my bomb. Spinning my face, my love, it won't face. Spinning my face, my love, it won't change. Spinning my face, my love, my bomb case. Spinning my face, my love, my bomb.
Reincarnated, I was stargazing. Life goes on, I need all my babies.
Woke up looking for the broccoli, high key. People horn on me, that could my seat. IP ownership, the blueprint is by me. Mr. Get Off, I get off at my feet.
Everybody's after my chainsaw heart. What about my heart? Daisy's heart? Does nobody want that?
Am I in love with just a thief? Or is Aisha just a dream?
Now you spend your life waiting for this moment. Will you find me? Saw it coming, passed you by and left you so defeated. Machine, I will cut you down, break you apart, splay the gore of your profane form across the stars. I will grind you down until the very spot cry for mercy. My hand shall reach, ending you here and
A snitch, nigga, it's this shit I
full of
Shooting stars never fly.